what does Mettre mean from your vocab list?
Oh, it's on vocab list?
Mm-hmm.
Does it mean like the boss?
No, that's the other one that was that like that. Nope, that's the other one. It's similar to wear, but it's not the same.
To
Put on.
To put or to put on, yes. Alright, so this one, I've already told you, is irregular. Part of what makes it irregular is that it is a stem changing verb. What does that mean?
Does that mean the front of it changes instead of the?
Well, the back changes too, but yeah, what's a stem?
The middle part?
Kind of like the root. So when you drop the RE or ER or IR, what's left is the stem, and that's what you add E's and EZs and ONS and all, whatever your endings are, right? Well, remember that? What happens with Mettre is your stem is different on the left side of the chart than on the right side of the chart. So you have MET is your stem on the left. METT is your stem on the right. So it changes. You get rid of an extra T on the left-hand side. And then you have your endings. I'll do the endings in a different color. Alright, so from there, guess what your ending is for je? S. Guess what your ending is here?
Yes.
I don't remember if that has anything. I don't think it has anything.
Nothing. So your regular RE verbs, they're S, S, nothing. It's still the same ending, you just take out an extra T. So it's not hard, you just have to remember that this side of the chart has one less T than that side of the chart. Your stem changes, not necessarily your actual ending. So it's S, S, and then you leave this one alone. The other side is normal. What are your endings for new? O and S, then what? Yep, then what? A and T. Okay? So that's the only thing that happens with Mettre. But again, it's something you have to remember. You have to remember for Mettre that you take an extra T away on that left-hand side of the chart. Alright, so yesterday we said like I'm wearing something. What about you are putting on, what are we going to put on? What color?
Red.
I heard red. You were putting on red pants.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. How do you say you are putting on? Informal. Yeah. Tu met. You don't say the S, but the S is there. That's your ending with one T. Now how do you say red pants? Because all of this is this. The R is built in and the on is built in for this. So what is red pants?
Isn't it like the jeans?
Yep. So how do you say it and spell what?
Pantalon.
Okay. What goes in front of pantalon?
L-E.
Y-L-E, yes.
Because masculine.
This is masculine. Why not L-E-S?
Because it's like one single.
Yeah. You're putting on one pair of red pants, not 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 pairs of red pants. Okay? How do you spell red and where does it go?
Rouge.
No, because it's masculine.
Rouge always has an E on the end, even when it's masculine. Now, if we change that, and we say we're going to wear, you're putting on green pants, how would you spell green? No, that's right.
E-R-T.
V-E-R-T. It's masculine. That one doesn't already end in an E, so you don't have just depends on the word. Red, pink, and yellow, and orange, actually, always end in E. Orange is special though. What was weird about orange?
It stays the same.
Yeah, it stays the same. You never, ever, ever change anything with orange. You never add an E, you never add an S. So, alright, what if we said, y'all are not wearing orange socks? Okay, how do you say y'all?
Knee,
Who?
Boo, and then what?
knee, and then you put that around where? I think.
Yeah, no pod goes around wearing. How do you say wearing? Forte, you drop the ER, you do what?
Easy.
Add EZ, and then you put your paw, okay? Now how do you say orange socks?
Socks orange.
Socks orange. See if this orange shows up.
So say
You have to have something in front of it though. What goes in front of chaussette?
les.
Lay, chaussette. With an S. How do you spell orange?
Orange.
Do you have to add anything to it?
No.
No.
No. So orange is the exception where you don't add an E or an S, even though this is plural. Okay? So can you do a few easy I am or you are putting on wearing different items?
Mhm.
Yes? What are you most confused on? Alright. What does je met mean?
I wear.
Not where.
I wore.
Nope.
I put on.
Put on. So there's two different verbs. And I use two different verbs here. You have putting on, which is mettre. But then you also have wearing, which is forte. That's where that came from. Okay? So all of this, if you said you are wearing whatever, this is you, putting on. You are putting on some shoes. They are putting on some red belt, whatever. So in order to say someone is putting something on, like they are getting dressed and putting on shoes or socks or shirt or pants or whatever it is, you use mettre. If you're just describing, saying Noah is wearing brown shoes, blue shorts, and a black sweatshirt, then you would use forte. Yes? Better? You sure?
I like how Noah had to check his clothes.
To see what he was wearing.
I still coffee on my shorts this
I don't really know what I'm wearing either. Like, I wouldn't be able to just tell you what I'm wearing without looking. So, all right, I can give you some sentences and you can do this.